there was some other issues going on as well. What was that?
Yes, they had found, I guess, bilateral mass in my breast. So I wasn't exactly sure what they had found, but I had 2 areas in the left breast and 1 in the right. So eventually, they had advised that it had shrunk in the left breast. So I recently just went back and had the right breast checked out, and now I'm back to every year having my breast, with having my mammograms, because now they say that no signs of cancer, and obviously that it has shrunk.
Awesome. So you have officially hit 34 pounds. And if it wasn't for, like I said, June 28th, that week, you would have for sure been at 40 pounds and probably even more. So,
Right.
Oh my gosh, that is really awesome. I am so happy for you. Awesome.
And you know, I am wearing clothes that I haven't been able to button. And now those clothes that I used to hold my breath or lay on the bed to zip, those very clothes are too big.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. And I'm wearing a size 12 dress. I have it on today.
Oh my God, that is awesome. I am so happy. So 240 last week and then 234 this week. So you lost 6 pounds this week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Perfect. All right, that is definitely good. Okay, so you kicked it up a notch. So what did you do? Did you just extend the length of time? Did you add on an extra day or 2?
No, what I did was I just worked out. I just did a lot of stuff this whole week. I worked up in my garage. I did a lot of lifting in my putting up stuff, heavy lifting. I did some walking, a lot of walking. I kind of cut back. Well, no. I picked up my meals. I started eating more meals because
Okay.
I want less meals because I want hardly.
Right. And you know, it sounds crazy, but you have to eat more in order to lose.
I noticed that because this week I really ate food this week.
Yeah.
And I'm puzzled because I'm like, but I've been going to the restroom a lot.
Yeah.
Because I've been eating and now I'm going to the restroom and I'm like, okay. It's because I'm putting more in my system.
Correct.
And everything is going pretty good. I went to the doctor on yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And when I went to the doctor yesterday, my doctor took me out one of my blood pressure medicines.
Wow.
Matter of fact, he took me out 4 medications.
Are you serious?
Yes. And
So
the only thing he got me on now is still the cholesterol medicine. And
okay.
He got me on one of my other blood pressure medicine, but it's every other day, not every day no more.
Okay.
And it's on the lowest dose that I got. He said within 3 months, I come in within 3 months. If I'm still doing good like I'm doing now, he told me that he's gonna take me off the other medicines.
Awesome. So he's taking you off of 4 medications.
Yes, ma'am.